In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate program in your Circle.so community. This process is straightforward and a great way to engage your community while expanding your network and boosting your revenue. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're in, look for your profile photo in the upper corner, click on it, and navigate to your settings. Within the settings menu, go to integrations or payments. This is where we'll set the foundation for your affiliate program. Now scroll down to find the affiliate or referral program section. You should see an option that allows you to toggle on the enable affiliate program feature. Once you've enabled it, click on configure. This step is crucial because it activates the feature, allowing us to customize the program to fit your needs. Next, let's set up the affiliate details. You'll likely see options to customize settings according to how you want your program to operate. This is where you can decide the specifics of your affiliate engagement. Think about what makes sense for your business model here. Once you've decided on the framework, it's time to determine how you will compensate your affiliates. There are a couple of options available to you. You can choose to offer a percentage commission based on sales or, alternatively, a fixed amount for each sign-up or sale. Consider what will be most appealing to potential affiliates while still aligning with your revenue goals. After setting the commission specifics, you'll need to select which plans or spaces the affiliate program will apply to. Consider which parts of your circle. So community will benefit most from increased traffic and engagement driven by affiliates. This allows you to strategically target parts of your platform for growth. The next step involves setting the payout frequency. Most often, affiliate programs will choose between weekly or monthly payouts. Regular payouts incentivize affiliates to continue promoting your community and provide consistent positive reinforcement for their efforts. Once all these details are set, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure all your configurations are kept. Now, it's time to spread the word by inviting affiliates to join your program. Navigate to the Members section, then select Invite Affiliates. From there, copy the affiliate link and distribute it to potential affiliates. This invites them to join and start promoting your circle. So community, tracking performance is crucial to understand how well your affiliate program is doing. Revisit your settings to access the affiliate